the great bubble debate. Ladies and gentlemen, today we tackle the most slippery question in science. Are bubbles fragile, fun, or geometry showing off? Why are bubbles always round? Why not square or triangle bubbles? This, my friends, is the great bubble debate. Here's the secret. Surface tension pulls equally in all directions. A sphere has the least surface area for a given volume. Nature loves efficiency. That's why bubbles choose spheres: minimal area, stable shape. The same physics explains raindrops, planets, and fizzy soda bubbles. From raindrops to worlds, spheres are nature's efficient default. Add glycerin or sugar for stronger bubbles. Try straws and string too. Dip a cube frame and watch films bend and merge into wild shapes. You're chasing a perfect sphere powered by physics. Stay curious and keep experimenting.